Introducing Red Hot Quick Fix from Christie's, the one-step PVC cement for quick repairs. Christie's Red Hot Quick Fix offers a perfect solution for fast repair of PVC pipe systems. With our convenient applicator and dispenser cap, this medium-bodied, very fast-set solvent cement is applied from the tube to pipe and fittings quickly, easily, and with little to no mess. Quick Fix also works in wet conditions, so you can get right to work on your repair in wet or dry environments. The cement is blue when applied and changes to clear when exposed to prolonged direct UV exposure. Process varies by application type. This allows you to see that your cement application is thorough while creating a clean appearance when finished. Here's how it works. Remove the dispenser cap from the tube. Flip and reapply the cap to pierce the tube seal. Flip and reapply the cap, allowing the cement to flow into the cap for application. While squeezing the tube, rotate the dispenser cap along the inside of the fitting and the outside of the pipe, ensuring even coverage on both surfaces. Immediately push the pipe and fitting together to form a bond. Hold for at least 30 seconds. When you're done, wipe the dispenser cap, remove, flip, and apply it to the tube. You can store Quick Fix for future use.